Now, Terra Luna Classic burns have pretty much stolen the show up to this point, and for good reason. Guys, the Binance burns that are going to be coming out Monday night, Tuesday morning, depending on where you live, are set to be excellent. They're set to be the largest single transaction burns that we have seen on Terra Luna Classic up until this point. But we do have to see what's going on in the overall market. We still need to remember the lines of support and resistance, the technicals, what's going on with the analytics, and will Terra Luna Classic be able to break out despite everything that's going on in the overall economy and the overall crypto market? So that's a little bit of what I want to go into in this video. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin and Binance. Binance is supporting the burns by burning trading fees, but it's international only. KuCoin, they reward the more active trader and actually allow you to trade KuCoin. They do, but you can trade Terra Luna Classic on leverage as well if you'd like. So make sure to check those platforms out. But nonetheless, there's a lot going on in the overall crypto space right now, and there's a lot going on with Terra Luna Classic too, and we cover that pretty much in depth. So in this video, I do want to go over some of the levels of support and resistance that we have just in case things work out exactly as planned, or if they don't work out as well as planned, and we come back down to the downside a little bit. But I also want to compare these to what's going on in the crypto space. And the best way to do that, I guess, is to start with the major levels of support that are being tested by both Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Bitcoin is sitting around $19,000 per coin, and Ethereum is sitting at $1,300 per coin. Now, the pros of these levels are that they are major long-term levels of support, so they should be able to hold up. The cons, it doesn't look too healthy right now. I mean, there's no other way to put that. Recently, over the last couple of months, when we have tested these levels in the crypto space, we have bounced off nicely. What we're seeing right now is no bounce, stagnation. Bitcoin's hitting 12,000. Yeah, maybe here right around the corner. Bitcoin's hitting $19,000 per coin, and it's not bouncing off. You might go 19 to 19.3. 19 to 19.4, 19 to 19.2, and so on. But if you pull the chart out to a daily graph, you can see that it's nowhere near the buying experience that we had just over the last couple of months. So that does indicate some weakness, even though we are at these levels of support. It's very similar action in Ethereum. How does this affect Terra Luna Classic? Because if the overall cryptocurrency market falls through these major levels, we could see some very large swings to the downside. Bitcoin could absolutely be testing $12,000, $10,000 per coin. Ethereum could absolutely be testing $600, $700, $800 per coin if we see this massive sell-off and a breakthrough support. On the other hand, Terra Luna Classic has been doing a very good job of diverging from the overall crypto market and not following the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But, this is a big but, we are one of the most traded coins, one of the most trending coins, and Terra Luna Classic continues to take the top spot in search volume across multiple platforms. If that excitement dies down, yes, Terra Luna Classic could begin to follow the overall crypto market for a while. That doesn't mean that it's going to die. It doesn't mean that it's going to be devastating. It doesn't mean that Terra Luna Classic is through. It simply means that we are going to need to either wait until the next catalyst comes or wait until a bull market comes. So that's why it's very important to stay engaged. It's very important to stay excited. And it's very important to continue pushing forward with Terra Luna Classic instead of giving up on it. So knowing those levels of support that could be broken, let's say the catalyst on Monday night, Tuesday morning comes around and Binance burns tens of billions of coins. I'm still on the conservative side of the estimate. I'm still thinking that we could see somewhere around 6 to 8 billion. I absolutely hope that I am wrong, and I absolutely hope that we get double-digit, multi-billion-dollar burns. But nonetheless, if we are exceeding expectations on these burns and we see a move to the upside, 35,000 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic has proven to be a decent level of resistance. Beyond that, all we've got is that basically 1 week period where Terra Luna Classic was moving higher, and it's putting us with resistance at basically every 5,000 points. So 40, 45,000, 50, 55,000. And if we break 60, we could be gone, guys. If we break that 60,000 point, that recent high that we hit a couple weeks ago, Terra Luna Classic could absolutely just go, it could go crazy. Why? Because that is when the excitement, that's when the FOMO, that's when people don't want to miss out. That's when all of that kicks in, and then it basically becomes a guessing game. You know, you can look at the levels of technical resistance on the chart, but when there's nothing in your way, it all becomes this mental idea of, should I sell now? I'm sitting on 5x gains. I'm sitting on 10x gains. It's a nice even number, 100,000 points per coin, 1/10 of a cent. My goodness, we're at a quarter of a cent, we're at half a cent now. Should I sell? And it's just strictly the trader against the trader, making decisions as to whether to buy, sell, hold, and so on. Now, the good news is, guys, okay, if you're here for the long term, yes, I do see value being rebuilt. If you're here for the short-term swings, I think the traders will keep up the volatility in Terra Luna Classic, but we have to remember, instead of hating the traders because they're limiting gains, we need to also thank the traders because they're the ones that are contributing to the burns. So if your strategy is to hold Terra Luna Classic, hey man, just hold. If your strategy is to trade Terra Luna Classic, thank you very much for burning on transaction fees and burning on those Binance fees as well. But nonetheless, guys, the numbers are looking good right now, okay? We've got these catalysts. We've got Coinbase potentially around the corner. We've got the Binance burn right around the corner. Social media analytics are holding up with people mentioning, posting, liking, talking about Terra Luna Classic on a multiple time per day basis. It continues to trend across platforms, continues to be the #1 traded coin across platforms. So Terra Luna Classic is still looking very strong. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on Terra Luna Classic. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You're getting Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.